Hi everyone, welcome in another video. In this video I have collected some sentences in English and Marathi. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video do not forget to like and subscribe. Now without wasting more time, let's see sentences. Today's video's first sentence is तिला बाहेर पाठव. तिला बाहेर पाठव. Send her out. Send her out. तिचा काय हेतू आहे? तिचा काय हेतू आहे? What is her intention? What is her intention? ती काल रजेवर होती. ती काल रजेवर होती. She was on leave yesterday. She was on leave yesterday. तिला सांग माझे पैसे द्यायला. Tell her to give my money. Tell her to give my money. मला लागणार आहेत. I need money. I need money. ठीक आहे, मी सांगेन. Okay, I will tell. Okay, I will tell. तुझं तू सांग. You tell yourself. You tell yourself. तिला मारू नको. तिला मारू नको. Don't beat her. Don't beat her. ती तुझ्यापेक्षा लहान आहे. ती तुझ्यापेक्षा लहान आहे. She's younger than you. She's younger than you. तिने मला मारले. तिने मला मारले. She beat me. She beat me. तिने तिच्या आईला सांगितले. तिने तिच्या आईला सांगितले. She told her mother. She told her mother. ती सारखी का रडत आहे? Why she is crying again and again? तिला फोन पाहिजे. She wants phone. She wants phone. She wants phone. जेवढे तू तिला दिले तेवढे पुरेसे आहे. That is enough what you gave her. That is enough what you gave her. मला लवकर जाऊ दे. मला लवकर जाऊ दे. Let me go early. Let me go early. ती एकटी आहे. ती एकटी आहे. She's alone. She's alone. ती मुद्दाम थांबली. She stopped intentionally. She stayed intentionally. ती जात नाही. ती जात नाही. She's not going. She's not going. तो खरा भक्त आहे. His real devotee. His real devotee. त्याचा आवाज खरच खूप चांगला आहे. His voice is really very good. His voice is really very good. ती ते पुन्हा पुन्हा घेत आहे. She's taking it again and again. She's taking it again and again. तिला थोडे दे. तिला थोडे दे. Please give her some. Please give her some. ती खूप गोड आहे माझ्या मुलीसारखी. She's very cute like my daughter. She's very cute like my daughter. मी रविवारी येऊ शकते. I can come on Sunday. I can come on Sunday. मी रविवारी नाही येऊ शकत. I can't come on Sunday. I can't come on Sunday. ती म्हणाली माझ्यासोबत चल. She said come with me. She said come with me. म्हणून मी लवकर आले. That's why I came early. That's why I came early. मी तिला विचारले. मी तिला विचारले. I asked her. I asked her. ते मला आज भेटले. They met me today. They met me today. Hearty thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you have subscribed this channel. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.